9th of the 8th 2014, 8 o'clock in the morning. Pretty cold morning, but not too bad. Shot one here, the other one decided to run away. This is the second one I shot. They were both together. One was lying down, only ran about 10 yards before it dropped. This one, well, that's where it dropped. A bit of a blood trail. That's pretty much where I hit it. No blood anywhere else, and bit of bone there. All in all, nice morning's work. First one lying down, shot that. Is where he's lying. Following the blood trail. And ended up there, so only about 15 yards from where I hit it. Bit of a mess. Second one I dropped. Come on. It's there.